Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of buttons on the Dawn theme in Shopify. This is a simple customization that can help match your buttons to your brand colors and create a more cohesive look across your store. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and type in shopify.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the store you want to edit, as this will ensure you have the proper permissions to make these changes. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Online Store and click on it. This section is where you manage everything related to your storefront's appearance and layout. Once you're in the Online Store section, you'll see your current theme displayed prominently. Right beside your theme, there's a button that says Edit Theme. Click on this button to open up the theme editor. This is where all the visual customization happens, and it's a powerful tool for tailoring your store's look without needing to touch any code. Now that you're in the theme editor, turn your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll see a list of sections that make up your theme. Select any section that contains a button you want to change. This could be a homepage banner, a product section, or any other area where buttons appear. Clicking on a section will allow you to customize its specific settings. After selecting your section, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see various customization options for that section. Find the option labeled Color Scheme. This will show you which color scheme the section is currently using. For example, you might see it's using Scheme 3. Take note of which scheme it is, as you'll need this information for the next step. Now go back to the left side and locate the gear icon. This icon opens up the theme settings, which control global aspects of your store's design. Click on the gear icon to access these settings. Inside the theme settings, you'll see a menu with different options. Click on Colors. This is where you manage all the color schemes used throughout your theme. Next, click on the scheme you noted earlier, such as Scheme 3. This will open up all the color options for that particular scheme. Within the color scheme settings, scroll down until you find an option called Solid Button Background. This controls the background color of your buttons. Click on the color picker next to it. You'll see a palette where you can choose any color you like. You can either select from the preset colors or enter a specific hex code if you have an exact brand color in mind. Once you've chosen your desired color, make sure to click the Save button located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will apply your changes to the live site. It might take a moment for the changes to process, so be patient while Shopify updates your theme. And that's it. You've successfully changed the color of your buttons on the Dawn theme, giving your store a more personalized and branded appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.